Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Automatron in Fallout 4. To start your adventure, ensure your character is at least level 15. Once you reach this level, listen for a new radio distress signal that will automatically appear. Follow this signal to its source, which will lead you to a crashed caravan and the beginning of the Automatron questline. This initial encounter introduces you to your first robot companion. After completing the initial quest, you gain access to the robot workbench. This specialized crafting station can be built in any of your settlements under the crafting menu. The workbench is central to creating and customizing your robot companions. You can modify nearly every aspect, from their head and torso to their arms and legs, choosing from dozens of unique parts to build your perfect companion. To truly customize your robots, you will need to acquire various parts and modifications. Many parts are salvaged directly from hostile robots you defeat during your travels across the wasteland. Additionally, you can craft new and improved modifications at the robot workbench using common crafting materials. Investing in perks like Robotics Expert will significantly expand your crafting options and allow for more advanced robot enhancements. Your customized robots are incredibly versatile companions in combat. You can equip them with a vast selection of weapons, from powerful melee attachments to devastating ranged armaments. Consider their role carefully. Some excel at close-quarters combat, while others provide excellent fire support. You can also manage multiple robot companions by assigning them to various settlements, ensuring you always have a robotic friend nearby for your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.